This is the perfect bag for your first ever bag project. From start to finish, you can hand cut and hand sew this bag in under 2 hours. If you've always been nervous to try and hand sew a leather bag, this is the pattern for you. It's a pattern that's easy enough that even my friend's son, who is 13, could make this bag in an afternoon with minimal help. There's no skiving required, there's no sewing machine required, you just need the basic leathercraft tools. However, for those of you who want to elevate the look of this, I've included optional rolled edges in the pattern for you. I highly recommend using a 4 to 5 ounce leather and probably closer to the 4 ounce side. You don't want to go too thick or else you won't be able to turn the bag and the seam won't be very crisp. If you do have access to a skiver or you're good at hand skiving, they'll give you a crisper seam. And you're gonna wanna use a medium tempered leather. You're not gonna want something soft like an upholstery leather. You're not gonna want something stiff like a thick veg tanned leather. This is a perfect traveler's bag. It's not a laptop bag. It's slightly smaller than a laptop bag. It holds an iPad or e-readers, phones, all your essentials, and more. This is a great base pattern, so feel free to add your own pockets. Change out the closure. Right now, for the pattern, it is a buckle closure just because it's simple. I know buckle closures are not exactly the most convenient, so if you want to change that out for a tuck lock or for a magnetic snap or for whatever you want, feel free to do so. Feel free to make this bag your very own. As always, the large format print pattern is free for the first week. You're going to need to use Adobe PDF's poster print option to print that. If you don't want to mess with that, we have a print ready version on our pattern store for 50% off for a limited time. If you're watching this beyond a week of this video coming out, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more free patterns. The pattern and full materials list is in the description below. All right, let's get making.